In this video, we will learn how to convert Excel to PDF. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have some data. I want to convert this data in PDF. Just click on the File tab. Here you get the print option. Just click on the print. Select your printer. In this select your printer option, you get here the Microsoft Print to PDF option. Just click on it and click on the print option. Here you can see the PDF file is saved in data in folder. So here I'm going to show you second way. Just click on the file tab. Here you got the export option. Click on the create PDF, and here you can see the PDF. You can save data in PDF. Okay, see the PDF is automatically open also. 3. Okay, there is a third way. Just click on the file tab, click on the save as, click on the this desktop. Here you can select the types of PDF and click on the data 3. See, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like these, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.